Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, the Aussie dollar been going down pretty strong. Like I've been saying, it could make a higher low, which would be like a running correction, and continue back up to complete this wave Y, or it could possibly stretch out into an expanding correction, taking out all these lows before it actually does end up continuing back up. Either way, we should be able to recognize when this trend is over on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we are closing below the 78%. And that is usually a pretty good sign that it will end up taking out at least the previous low where you have your Fibonacci level right there. So even though it does kind of look like that, 3, 4, 5 shape that comes near the end of trends, this is probably a pretty big clue that it is going to continue the downtrend. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So for me, the structure that would confirm that this trend is over is way up here. If price does turn way up there and break structure, then I would definitely say that the trend is over. To me, it does kind of almost look like we're making like some sort of a either a running or an expanding flat because it's impulsive up, 3 waves down. Kind of wondering if maybe it is going to go up, but the move up is going to be a wave C and then it turns right back down. Seems like that is how it's going to play out. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is where you can kind of see a little bit more clearly that this move over here definitely looks like an uptrend. This right here is definitely looking like 3 waves down. It actually looks like this last wave may not be complete though. It looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 and maybe go down one more time for a 5. But it does kind of seem like it might end up making a push up to complete what might end up being either a running or an expanding flat for an ABC correction on these sort of time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down, which is actually like a picture perfect 5 wave trend. We have taken out the higher wave 4, which is a good sign. So now what we're doing is we're looking for 3 waves up and Fibonacci bounces. We definitely do have 3 waves up right here. We definitely do have a Fib bounce, but we don't have a breaker structure or a lower high, even on these sort of time frames, telling me that it might end up going up one more time, either retesting the 50, going down and breaking structure, which will confirm my short, or it possibly could even stretch out into a higher fib level. The whole thing is if this really is a wave 4, then it probably is likely to only go up to this 50%. So maybe it'll go up and either make a lower high and then continue down, or maybe it'll go up and make a double top and then continue down breaking structure, which should help confirm that this is the end of a correction and the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked out here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.